Hello everyone, and future me. Today, I want to talk to you about Bitcoin. I've been in the market for a couple years. 2020, I've been speculating. Been kind of speculating Bitcoin for a long time. Sat on the sidelines, skeptical. Bought a little, sold some for a little profit. Didn't understand it. That was the thing. I didn't understand it. The more I learned, the more I understood, the more I researched it. And that's why I've come up with Timeless. Because based on the data that I've experienced and done, Bitcoin over the last 10 years has outperformed everything on the market. I think it'll continue to do so, especially as other companies adopt it. Timeless Capital is a strategy of just simple dollar cost averaging for 10 years. Because when you look at the price of Bitcoin from the last 10 years and project it out into over the next 10 years, it's a good strategy. So the idea is to buy and hold Bitcoin only, essentially. So today's date, December 22nd, 2024. Bitcoin's priced at 95,000. Trump was elected. It went from 68.8 up to 100,000 within a month. And it broke 100,000 on November 5th, I believe. Maybe November 6th. And it's holding pretty strong. 2020, I seen the price at 10,000. I think I was buying Bitcoin at like 7,000, 8,000. And to see that it did a 10x in 4 years. It was the end of 2020, so yeah, 4 years. Trump will be president for the next 4 years. He hasn't been president for the last 4 years, I can tell you that. And it's going to drive price up a lot more. Probably another 10x. I think it'd push Bitcoin up over $1 million. There's speculation right now on X about Trump adding some of the gold reserve to Bitcoin to back the US dollar. And I think that's going to drive the price up a lot, and then they're not going to sell it. Because why would they? Everyone that buys after that is going to drive the price up. Because there's only 21 million. That's what a lot of people didn't understand before. I didn't understand that. I didn't know that there was only 21 million that can never be. Ever be. Forever. But they can keep printing more dollars. They can keep mining more gold. They can make lab-made diamonds. They can mine more oil. All kinds of stuff. But you can't make more Bitcoin. I now know that. And then you got the halvings every 4 years that make the reward rate for the miners half as much. I didn't know that either. I thought Bitcoin miners made more Bitcoin. That they mined Bitcoin. Thought that's what mining was. So you dig up more Bitcoin. You find, or whatever. It does a math equation. It makes Bitcoin. Nope. It processes a transaction. Excuse me. From one person to another that's already bought it. Or hasn't bought it. And then they're rewarded a specific rate. And that rate is cut over time, over 4 years, every 4 years, and which drives up the price in value because of scarcity. And that's what I've learned from it so far. Knowing that I'm going to be putting 10% of all my money into Bitcoin and holding it. So today's December 22nd, 2024. If I buy $100 worth of Bitcoin today, and it buys me 0.0001 Bitcoin, and then in 10 years, December 22nd, 2034, I sell 0.0001 Bitcoin, that regardless of whatever the price was, or is, and then let's say it is whatever. That $100 is now worth whatever. Because if you take and buy $100 worth of Bitcoin 10 years ago, when Bitcoin was $100 a coin, you'd buy one Bitcoin, and selling it today, December 22nd, 2024, you would be selling for $100,000 in profit on that one Bitcoin that you bought 10 years ago for $100. So that's the idea behind Timeless. So regardless of what the price is, you buy 10% of your money now, and then whatever the date is, you log that transaction, and then you check the you don't even worry about selling for 10 years. So then when your 10-year mark comes, you start pulling profits, like whatever you bought that day, 10 years previous. That's how much you would sell, regardless of price. And you just take the win. That way you're guaranteed not to sell all of it. And you're still guaranteed to make profits over a long period of time. And I think that's the best way to kind of secure. And I think if I can get more people involved in that too, and involved with Timeless, that It would also help make Bitcoin's price more stickier. And less volatile, which is like, downwards. Volatile is good. I don't understand why people are scared of volatility. Volatility is great, not for the average. It just depends, but it's great because when price is down 40%, there's smart buyers. They'll buy it up because then they know when the price goes back up 40, 50% or 80%, they'll sell it and be up 100% on their investment and still have their principal. So there's arbitrage there, and volatility is important. So I do want volatility. Volatility is price action. New investors coming in is what's going to happen. Pricing 100,000 is going to bring in new people, they're going to be new eyeballs, right? Oh, Bitcoin 100,000, what? Oh, yeah. So there's going to be new people wanting to learn about it, and I want to be here to kind of help share with you guys what I have learned over the last couple of years so you don't get scammed by buying into other stuff. Like me, I've also done that. Before I started being really bullish on Bitcoin, I was buying into all of the rugs on ETH and Solana, and don't get me wrong, I've made money too, but it's too risky when it comes to what I'm talking about with Timeless, is to eliminate a lot of that risk with that 10-year strategy. And that's why I'm here expressing to you guys today what I've learned from that, and also to remind myself in the future that when I get confused or forget, maybe, Bitcoin's here to stay. I'm happy to be able to be here and share with you guys, and I want to share more. Drop a like and subscribe on this video if you enjoyed it. Definitely want to be sharing more as I experience more as well. Maybe weekly, monthly, I don't know. But just going to keep posting in here frequently as I can, and to help you guys learn too more about what I've learned. Don't mind me. That was really good beef jerky. Buy and hold Bitcoin. 10 years. Keep it on a ledger. Keep it simple. I used to keep my money on something like on FTX. There's platforms, exchanges. You almost can't trust almost any exchange. I don't care. FTX crashing. That was before proof of reserves, where money was flowing into. People were, anything that was being in FTX held in there was earning you 8%, even USDC. So, and what is it, 2 years later, and we're just now starting to get funded back for that, money back for that, and it's still gonna take time. So just remember, not your keys, not your crypto. Keep your crypto stored on a ledger where you can manage your own keys, memorize your keys, whatever strategy works best for you. I'm learning more as I go, and I'm here to share with you as I learn. Timeless. Bitcoin's here to stay. I'm here to stay. I want to learn more and help people learn more too. Well, till next time. Maybe I'll do some live trading next time. Just doing some normal buys, send transactions to Ledger, stuff like that. Maybe I'll start teaching people how to do that, educating people on safety. Make it as hard as you can to access your crypto, your Bitcoin. You can give your ledger to your wife, put it in the bank, put it somewhere, memorize the words. That way you're not tempted to sell it early or sell it at a loss. You can't sell at a loss if you hold. Buy more Bitcoin, hold your Bitcoin, you do not sell Bitcoin. I have a 10-year sell plan. Michael Saylor says you do not sell Bitcoin. Yeah, maybe. But you can also have a strategy that works where you can sell over a period of time little bits of amounts that you bought 10 years prior, to where at least you're guaranteed to reap the rewards what you bought previously, and not round tripping or yeah, I guess just like round tripping, you know. We're here to make some money too. We want to make some money, and also, yeah. And even after you make your 10-year mark, you can still keep buying. But Timeless is just giving you a 10-year head start regardless of when you start. That's all it is. That's the idea behind it. You start any day. You buy Bitcoin today, however much. You'd sell that same amount in 10 years from now. Same day, same amount, 10 years. We'll see. We'll see how it plays out. 10-year now version of me will be looking back at this video and thanking me, I guess. Are you thanking me? I'm thanking me. I'm very grateful. Grateful for the knowledge I have now. Grateful that I'm able to have these resources to share it. And the courage to also step into the zone of discomfort and trying new things. Good luck to you all, and I'll see you on the next video.